Guys, I gotta show you guys something. If you follow me on IG, you will probably have seen this in the background of something I posted. This is gonna be a quick one, so I'm gonna get right into it. I'm not gonna waste any time because, as you see, I gotta go get a haircut. Looking a little rough right now. I know you see the title in the thumbnail, but I just want to show you guys. I got a dash cam for the Stinger. It's gonna run on the front and the back window up here, along with the Christmas decorations and a pair of Jordans I'm about to throw away. I went and got some sound. That's gonna be coming up pretty soon, the next modification, more than likely. Just trying to add some more sound. And you see there's a scale here, and it's not for what you think. I'm gonna show you exactly what it's for. Today, we're gonna be unboxing this set of VMS wheels that just got delivered yesterday from UPS. And these are gonna be going on the red TL. So I'm gonna do a little boxing, show them off. And the scale, I'm actually gonna go and weigh what they are, because as far as I know, I don't really know what they actually weigh. I don't think Mike knows either, but. And it's what he requested me doing this unboxing video, and I hope you guys are gonna enjoy this. I have no idea what these wheels actually look like. I mean, the box shows a little picture of them, but I've never seen these wheels in person before, so I'm gonna be getting the first initial reaction along with you guys, and let's get into it. So the part number for these VMS wheels are VW ST045. As you see, it has the GOAT specs, the 18x99 plus 22 with a 5x1 14.3 bolt pattern, which is standard for the TL. The hub, I believe, is 73.1, I think it said on it. The tape is kind of covering it here, can't really see it properly. But those are like the best specs for the TL. No rubbing issues, no clearance issues. That is the easiest, most comfortable specs you can run, especially for a daily driver, not requiring any camber. As long as you're running a decent tire size, these are gonna be perfect specs for any Acura TL. Third generation, I should specify. So let me go ahead and grab my weapon of mass destruction so I can get comfortable. And I got myself a blade. And let's check them out. All right, if you guys can see me, let's open up the first box. I'm being very, very delicate as I can. I don't want to scratch the wheels, man. Let's take a look inside. See what they look like. All right. All right. Oh man. You know what I like? I've seen these wheels before. These are like the wheels everybody does drag racing with. Trying to take my buttons down. Here they are. 18x9.5. These are actually pretty light. Let me set them down so you can see a better view of them. So there they are. You know, I have seen these wheels before, like I said. These are like the drag racing wheels I've seen on like Mustangs and other domestic and import vehicles. They do look pretty nice, and they're very, very simple design. They're lightweight. They're very, very easy to clean from what it looks like. He had asked me for a way to test fit them on a Stinger, and honestly, no. I mean, just to be respectful, it's not my style of wheel, and even so, these are his. Give him the first opportunity to put them on his car. But let's open the rest. All four are now unboxed. Well, this one kind of closed itself. And this box came with some stickers, VMS Racing. And then in here came the set of lug nuts with the locks and keys and hub-centric rings. So he's pretty much all set. All you gotta do is get some TPMS sensors and tires if you choose to do TPMS sensors. But by the way, I do recommend that you get TPMS sensors for any set of wheels you have for your car. If it requires TPMS, then yes, get them, please, because unless you like the annoying dash warning on the cluster all the time, there you go. I'm excited to see how these look on the car, man. I really am. These are pretty fresh looking. So, last thing we gotta do now, which is what the scale is for. Let's see how much they weigh. All right, so the way we're gonna do this, I'm gonna weigh myself. No judgment zone, so take my boots off and step on the scale. Yeah, I'm pretty heavy. I mean, I'm fully dressed as well. All right, so roughly, even standing up straight, So about 305 pounds, all right? 305 exactly. Mind you, I'm fully dressed, I just ate, so I'm roughly about 300 pounds. Now I'm gonna do the same thing, but I'm gonna hold the wheel in my hand. So 305. So now 330. All right, so these are roughly 25 pounds. So not the most lightweight wheels. I mean, as far as I know, the Acura RPF ones are the lightest and most affordable legitimate wheel you can get, but they are super overplayed. These actually do look pretty nice. So 25 pounds each corner plus the tire. So I would say, depending on the tire size that he goes with, we're gonna go with roughly maybe 40, 45 pounds a corner, maybe 50 per corner. Now versus the raised wheels he has. I mean, I haven't got a picture of the car myself with the raised, but I can pop it up here on the screen just to see how it looks with those wheels. Those, I believe, are a little bit lighter than these. Anyway, guys, like I said, it's a quick one, quick unboxing video. I need to get on with the rest of the plans for the day. So hope you guys enjoyed. Hope you're excited for the new set of wheels that are gonna go on the TL in a few weeks or so. Like, share, subscribe. I'm sorry, guys. I'm extremely exhausted. My eyes are a little bit red right now. It's been a long week. I've been training new employees, so I'm really tired. I took whatever bit of time I had today to shoot this. I'm about to go get a haircut and then pursue the rest of my evening and weekend plans. But if you guys like the wheels, definitely let me know in the comments. Like, share, subscribe, turn on post notifications, check out the shorts, check out my previous uploads, and look forward for more and more content. I've not forgot about what the video says I'm gonna make. I just haven't had the time, and of course, I'm shooting the video with my brother. So when his kid's baseball schedule's freed up, then we can plan a day to put something out for you guys, which we promised. 3,000 subscribers. Once again, thank you guys for 3,000 subs. The channel's slowly growing, and I'm really happy about it. I appreciate all the support you guys are giving. And I look forward to seeing you guys soon. Leave your comments down below, and I'll check y'all later. Have a great weekend, and be safe. Drive responsibly. Don't text and drive. Don't drink and drive. All right? Deuces.